Hey guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a freeze frame in Davinci Resolve. But before we start, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all our upcoming videos, and let's dive in. So all you have to do to make a freeze frame, for example, I want to freeze this frame, so I'm going to zoom in a little bit and then click on the razor tool, make a cut, move like a frame, another zoom, let's move some frames, and then another cut. Go back to the selection icon and then select the frame we want to freeze. Just make a right click on it, change clip speed, and click on freeze frame like so, then click on change. Now this frame is holded as a freezed one, so I'm going to take away these clips and elongate this section. Let's check out. It must be freezed here. As you can see, it's freezed here, and then keep moving. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all our upcoming videos, and goodbye.